Hello everyone, today we will solve some more numerical problems based on Lagrangian equations. The first problem is write down the Lagrangian equation of motion for a particle of mass m falling freely under gravity near the surface of the earth. Here you can see that the mass of the particle is small m, and here we have considered the surface of the earth as the xy plane, and z-axis is the vertical axis, and it is perpendicular to the surface of the earth. The particle is falling freely towards the surface of the earth. Let us say at any instant its position is from the surface of the earth is z. Now we can find the kinetic energy of the particle. The kinetic energy of the particle will be T is equal to 1 by 2 m x dot square plus y dot square plus z dot square. Here x, y, z are the Cartesian coordinates. X dot, y dot and z dot represent the velocities of the particle along the x, y and z axis respectively. Now the potential energy of the particle will be mgz, because we have considered the surface of the earth as the reference line and the particle is above the surface of the earth, so it will be taken as positive and it is equal to mgz. Now the Lagrangian of the system, as you know that it is equal to t minus v. Here t is equal to 1 by 2 m x dot square plus y dot square plus z dot square, and v is equal to mgz. So we can find the Lagrangian of the system. Now we will find the del L over del x dot, del L over del x, del L over del y dot, del L over del y dot, del L over del z dot and del L over del z. So when we find these values, we see that del L over del x dot is equal to mx dot, del L over del y dot is equal to my dot, and del L over del z dot is equal to mz dot. Similarly, del L over del x is equal to 0, del L over del y is equal to 0, del L over del z is equal to minus mg. So here, because there are three Cartesian coordinates, so there will be three Lagrangian equation of motions, and those will be of the form d over dt del L over del x dot minus del L over del x is equal to 0, d over dt del L over del y dot minus del L over del y is equal to 0, d over dt del L over del z dot minus del L over del z is equal to 0. So when we put the value of del L over del x dot, del L over del x in this equation, then we see that we get x double dot is equal to 0. Similarly, when we put the value of del L over del y dot and del L over del y in this equation, we see that our y double dot is equal to 0. And when we put del L over del z dot and del L over del z in this equation, then we see that our equation comes out to be z double dot plus g is equal to 0. So these are the Lagrangian equation of motions. So here you can see that in the x-axis and in the y-axis the acceleration of the particle is 0, because the particle is falling freely toward the surface of the earth, so it will have the acceleration along the z-axis. The next problem is that a point mass moves in a vertical plane along a given curve in a gravitational field. The equation of motion in parametric form is that x is equal to xs, means x is function of s, and z is equal to zs, z is function of s. Now write down the Lagrangian equation of motion. As you know that x is function of s, so when we find the velocity along the x-axis, then it comes out to be x dot we can write dx over dt, and it can be represented as, because x is function of s, so it can be written as dx over ds into ds over dt. Let us say dx over ds is equal to x dash. Similarly, z dot will be equal to dz over dt, and it can be written as, because z is also function of s, so it will be written as dz over ds into ds over dt. So dz over ds, let us say, is equal to z dash, so this will be equal to z dash, and ds over dt, it can be written as s dot. Now the kinetic energy of the system will be, because there are two coordinates x and z, so the kinetic energy will be written in these coordinates, and it is equal to 1 by 2 m x dot square plus z dot square. When we put the value of x dot and z dot, then we find equation 1, and it is like 1 by 2 m x dash square plus z dash square in bracket into s dot square. Now the potential energy of the system, it will be equal to mgz, and here the particle is considered above the surface of the earth, so it will be taken as positive. Now the Lagrangian of the system is, it is kinetic energy minus potential energy, and when we put the value of t and v, then we find Lagrangian is of the form 1 by 2 m x dash square plus z dash square into s dot square minus mgz. Let us say it is equation number 2, because here x is written in the form of the s and z is also written in the form of s, so here s is independent coordinate and it will be considered as a generalized coordinate. So our Lagrangian equation of motion will be like d over dt del L over del S dot minus del L over del S is equal to 0. Now we will find del L over del S dot and del L over del S from equation number 2. When we find del L over del S dot, it comes out to be x dash square plus z dash square in bracket into s dot, and when we find del L over del S, it comes out to be 1 by 2 m s dot square, and in bracket it is twice x dash x double dash plus 2 z dash z double dash minus mg dash z over del S. Here because x dash is, it can be written as dx over ds, so when we differentiate it with respect to s, then x dash square will be written as dx over ds whole square. It will be like dx over ds whole square. So when we differentiate it with respect to s, then it comes out to be twice dx over ds into d2x over ds2. So dx over ds is equal to x dash, and d2x over ds2, here we have considered x double dash. Similarly z dash and z double dash values, so we can find the value of del L over del S. Right, now the Lagrangian equation of motion will be d over dt. Now we will put del L over del S dot value here and del L over del S value here, then our equation comes out to be this form. Now the next problem is that a bead slides on a smooth road which is rotating about one end in a vertical plane with uniform angular velocity omega. Find Lagrangian equation of motion. Thank you.